In this video, I'm going to walk through how to wrap text to fit in a cell in Excel. I am using an Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. The process is the same on a Mac. Column headings can be too long to display their entire contents. One way to deal with it would be to widen the columns. However, widening the columns may make the worksheet too wide for easy viewing. We can format the column contents to fit by wrapping the text. Right-click the cell containing the heading that does not fit. Here we right-click in cell A1 and select Format Cells. Next, choose the Alignment tab. In that Alignment tab, click on Wrap Text. The column contents are now wrapped and visible. We can also text wrap all headings at once by selecting all the cells containing headings, right-click, Format Cells, and then select Wrap Text. All headings are now visible. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.